This is Jacob Crane from CNN. Today we'll be discussing how lasers work, but first, we have Finley with the weather report.
Thanks, Jacob. Now with the weather report. This week, you'll see such lasers as blue, red, and even some green. Up here, you can see the highs and lows for frequency in hertz. Now, these lasers can be extremely dangerous and radioactive, so please stay home or else you'll be electrocuted. Now, to my twin in the field. Thanks, twin brother. Right now, I'm in the middle of a huge laser hurricane. These lasers are very dangerous. They have high frequencies and high radioactivity. The wavelengths can be up to 750 nanometers, and a nanometer is a billionth of a meter. Now, I better get out of here before I get...
We might need a new reporter called backup. Anyways, a word from our sponsor. Ever wanted to learn about space, but you never had enough time? Read Neil deGrasse Tyson, Astrophysics for People in a Hurry, for only $258.99.
Now, here's a demonstration of how lasers actually work. Lasers stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. So, the atoms inside the laser, their electrons get excited, and these excited atoms release a photon of light. Now this photon bounces around inside the laser and can hit back onto the excited atom, which produces another photon. This creates 2 times the amount of light, which is why it's light amplification. Now, next is a demonstration of how lasers have to do with waves. Lasers have a very narrow beam of light. Now this is because, unlike in the light bulb, where the light is spread out and the waves move in different directions, the waves in the laser are parallel to each other, so they move in a very narrow beam of light.
You might even use lasers in daily life. For example, DVDs use red laser light, while Blu-ray uses blue laser light, and they transfer data to the TV. Also, TV signals use lasers to communicate with each other. And also, barcodes and cutting diamonds also use lasers. There are many advantages when using lasers. For example, they can be used in eye surgery to help eyesight. Also, they can point out objects far away. But there are some disadvantages. For example, they can be very expensive. And also, if used poorly, they can cause very bad eyesight.
Lasers are still a relatively new technology, so there are lots of experiments being done with them. Facebook is doing experiments with laser-mounted planes to test high-speed internet connections. There are also experiments being done with space communications. This is the end of our laser report on CNN. Thanks for watching.